We have become very security conscious in recent years. The house alarm has become almost essential, and we are much more aware of the need to keep doors locked than we might have been in the past. This security consciousness is a sign of the times. In an age of rampant drug abuse that erodes the addict's respect for the property or even the lives of others. But thievery are not a new phenomenon. Jesus was fond of expressing his teaching in images drawn from the experience of the people he was talking to. In the first of the parables in today's Gospel, we find the image of the burglar breaking into someone's house. Clearly, this was an experience his people could relate to. He draws attention to the element of surprise in the burglar's tactics. The only way for the householder not to be surprised by the burglar is for him to stay awake all night. Staying awake all night becomes in Jesus' parable an image of the disciples remaining alert to the presence, to the coming of the Lord. The Lord lives in constant awareness of us, and we are called to live in constant awareness of Him. We find it difficult to be aware of the Lord all the time because so many things fill our minds and hearts. Yet, that is what the Lord asks of us. We are to attend to, be aware of His constant presence to us. This is what might be termed the contemplative attitude. There is a sense in which we are all called to become contemplatives, that we continue to grow in awareness of Christ's presence in our lives. Let's pray for this grace for one another.